Exponential equations. This chapter we already made or completed 3 video where we have done A to L. This video we will start from M, and next video we try to finish this chapter. Let's start. If you think this video is important for you or helping you, please subscribe my channel. Number M. 10 to the power x minus 1 times 3 to the power x minus 81 equals to 0. So here is two expressions, either 10 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0, or we can write 10 to the power x equals to 1. Look, here is 10 to the power x and another side 1, but what will be the result of x? In this case, usually we are doing here 10 to the power x, and here we can write 10 to the power 0 because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. So here base are same, therefore x equals to 0. Or we can write 3 to the power x minus 81 equals to 0, or we can write 3 to the power x equals to 81. Then 3 to the power x, this 81 we can write 3 to the power 4. So base are same, then power will be equal. So what will be the exponential rule? It's a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. So number m done. So this is not a very tough math, but very important, and we have to careful about law of exponent. N. Here is 2 times 5 to the power 2 minus x equals to 5 plus 5 to the power x. So it's looking different than other exponential expression. This one we can write 2 times 5 square times 5 to the power minus x. How? We know a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. This is a one rule of exponents. So similar, here is 5 to the power 2 minus x, we are writing like this. So this is, we can write this portion 2 times 5 square, and this one, this is a negative exponent, so we can write 5 to the power x, because we also know a to the power minus n, it means 1 divide a to the power n. So we have to know about law of exponent, which is very important. So we can move this one slight right side. Okay, then here is 5 plus 5 to the power x. This one we can write, here is 5 square, it means 25, 25 times 2, it means 50 equals to this one 5 to the power x times 5 plus 5 to the power x, right? So this one we can write another place, because for this math we need more space. Now 50, so this one 50 equals to what? Here is 5 to the power x, so we can write like this. Here is 50 equals to 5 to the power x times 5 plus 5 to the power x. So this one 5 times 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x whole square. So if we exchange this one left side to right side. So 5x whole square minus 5 times 5x. So this one will be right plus, so this 50 will be minus, equals to 0. So let 5 to the power x equals to y. Okay, it will make us smooth. So this one we can write y square plus 5y minus 50 equals to 0. So this equation we will factorize. We can use middle term factor. So y square plus 5 tens are 50. So we can write 10y minus 5y, and here is minus 50 equals to 0. So we can take common y. So y plus 10 minus 5 common, y plus 10 equals to 0. So here is y plus 10 and y minus 5 equals to 0. Right? Now look, either y minus 5 equals to 0, it means y equals to 5. That also mean y means what? 5 to the power x equals to 5, and here x equals to what? 5 has no power, it means 1. So base are same, power will be equal. Or here is y plus 10 equals to 0. So y equals to minus 10. Then y means 5 to the power x equals to minus 10, which is what? It's undefined. So our answer is, so x equals to 1. This is our answer. So it's looking little bit bigger, but it's very important. So number n done. Have any question? Just write a line in the comments box. Number O, 9 to the power m plus 3 to the power 3 minus 2m equals to 28. So this one we can write 3 to the power 2m, right? Because 3 square means 9 and to the power m. And here is also this one we can write 3 cube divide 3 to the power 2m. Why we are writing this one? Because we know about negative rule, which is negative exponent, which is a to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n, and here is 28. Let 3 to the power 2m equals to a. So we can write a plus 3 cube, it means 27, divide a equals to 28, right? Then a square plus 27 divide a, we are doing LCM, and here is 28. So a square plus 27 equals to 28, or we can write a square a, here is minus 28a plus 27 equals to 0, right? Then in middle term factor we can write a square minus 27a minus a plus 27 equals to 0. So we can take common a. So here is minus 27 minus 1 common, here is minus 27 equals to 0, right? So we can take common a minus 27. So a minus 1 equals to 0. So first part complete. Now either a minus 27 equals to 0, it means a equals to 27. Then a means what? A means 3 to the power 2m equals to 27 means 3 to the power 3. So base are same, so 2m equals to 3, so we can write m equals to 2 by 3, right? Or what, a minus 1 equals to 0, then a equals to 1, a means 3 to the power 2m, and 1 we can write 3 to the power 0, because we know a to the power 0 means 1. So base are same, 2m equals to 0, so m equals to 0. So we have to answer m equals to 0 or 2 divided 3. So this is our answer. So number O done. So this video we will do 2 more math. Let's start. Number P, here is y minus 2y to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So this y we can write y to the power 1 by 2 whole square. So look, y to the power 1 by 2 times 2, it means 2 to cross, so y, this one and this one similar thing, then minus 2 times y to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 times 1 plus 1 whole square equals to 0. So totally it's looking a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So we can write what, a minus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square. So y to the power 1 divided 2 minus 1 whole square equals to 0. Now we square root both sides, so y to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Then so this one we can write y to the power 1 by 2 equals to 1. Then y to the power 1 by 2 equals to this one we can write y to the power what? One thing, here is no need base equal, because once base will be equal, that time we will not get the result of variable. So this one we can do one thing, if we square both side, right? If we square both side, square both side, so we can write y equals to 1, because y to the power 1 by 2, once we square, that time 1 by 2 will be out, so our answer is y equals to 1. So this is our answer. So our number P done. So today's last video, which is Q, let's start. Number Q, 4 to the power x plus 3 equals to 0.5. So 4 to the power x plus 3, this 0.5 we can write 1 by 2. Okay, then this 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 times x plus 3, and this 1 by 2 we can write 2 to the power minus 1. Okay, so here base are same, we can write 2x plus 2 times 3 means 6 equals to minus 1. So 2x equals to minus 1 minus 6, right? Here is 2x equals to minus 7. So our answer is x equals to minus 7 divide 2. Why? Because we divide both sides by 2. So after finish this number Q, our video has finished. This video, it means this is the 4th video of this chapter. Next video, it means number 5 video, we will start from number R. So my request, if you think this video is helping you, please share with others, likes me, comments me, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.